If you're trying to break into cybersecurity, here's the truth nobody tells you. Watching video courses and reading textbooks won't make you job ready. What actually gets you hired is being able to sit down, open a terminal, and do the job. So today, I'm walking you through the fastest, most practical path I've found to build real skills, starting right now for free. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I'd build job-ready skills if I were starting over. No fluff, no theory-only rabbit holes. We'll cover the mindset shift you need, the exact platform and labs I use to practice like it's a real job, and how to structure your learning so you're not wasting months on the wrong things. Stick around to the end because I'll also show you how to get started for free today. And hey, if this kind of video is useful to you, consider subscribing. It genuinely helps to grow this channel. Here's the mindset shift. Most people trying to get into cybersecurity spend all their time consuming, watching videos, reading blog posts, collecting certifications on paper. But hiring managers don't just want to know you understand a concept. They want to know you can actually do it under pressure. That's why the fastest path isn't more theory. It's more hands-on practice. And that's exactly why I lean on TryHackMe so heavily. It's the world's largest hands-on cybersecurity training platform with over 8 million users. And everything happens inside real practical labs instead of slideshows. One of the biggest reasons I recommend TryHackMe to beginners specifically is friction, or rather, the lack of it. You don't need to install a virtual machine, configure networking, or troubleshoot software for hours before you even start learning. Everything runs directly in your browser. You click Start Machine, and within a minute or two, you've got a real live target environment to practice on. For someone just starting out, that removes one of the biggest barriers that makes people quit before they even begin. Now, if you're a complete beginner, the idea of just starts hacking stuff is overwhelming. That's where structured learning paths come in. TryHackMe organizes content into guided paths, depending on where you're at, whether you're brand new to IT and security, aiming for a SOC analyst role, or going more offensive with penetration testing. You're not guessing what to learn next. You follow the path, room by room, and each one builds on the last. Let me actually show you what this looks like in practice, instead of just talking about it. I'm going to jump into a real room here. This one's focused on core networking and reconnaissance skills, which is genuinely foundational for almost every cybersecurity role. I'll spin up the target machine, and inside the browser terminal, I'll run a basic scan to see what services are exposed. This is the exact kind of task you'd be doing on day one of a real SOC or pen testing job, identifying what's running on a system before you can secure or test it. Notice I'm not switching to some separate app or downloading a tool. This is all happening live, in the room, in the browser. Every room has built-in questions that check whether you actually understood what just happened, not just whether you copy-pasted a command. I'll answer this one based on what showed up in my scan results. This is what makes it stick. You're not just watching, you're being tested in real time on real output. Here's something people underestimate. Motivation is actually the hardest part of a career change, not the technical content. TryHackMe leans into gamification to help with that. You earn badges and achievements as you complete rooms, you can track learning streaks, and you can watch your progress bar fill up on each path. It sounds small, but when you're grinding through a career change on top of a full-time job, that little dopamine hit of streak, 12 days, actually keeps you coming back instead of quitting in week 2. Now, let's talk honestly about cost. You can start completely free. The free tier gives you real access to hands-on rooms and lets you genuinely experience this style of learning before spending a cent. As you go further, though, premium unlocks a lot more. Unlimited rooms and learning paths, certificates of completion you can add to your resume or LinkedIn, unlimited attack box access, so you're not waiting in queues, and more advanced content. My honest take? Start free, see if this hands-on style clicks for you, and upgrade once you're actually using it consistently. That's the approach I'd take if I were starting today. Quick disclosure before I go further. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission if you sign up through them. That said, I wouldn't be recommending this platform if I didn't genuinely use it myself and believe it's one of the best ways to build real skills. If you want to start, I've dropped my link in the description below, along with a code for a special discount on annual premium if you decide to upgrade down the line. Start with the free rooms, get a feel for it, and go from there. If you're serious about getting job ready, don't just close this tab and forget about it. Go create a free account, pick a beginner path, and finish just one room today. That one room is the actual first step. Let's quickly recap. Skip the theory-only trap. Prioritize hands-on practice. Use structured paths so you're not guessing what to learn next. Let the gamification keep you consistent, because consistency beats intensity. And start free before you ever consider paying for anything. That's genuinely the fastest, most realistic path I know to build job-ready cybersecurity skills. I'll be honest, no video, no platform, and no number of certificates will guarantee you a job. But putting in real, hands-on practice consistently is the best way I know to actually get ready for one. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more practical cybersecurity content, and I'll see you in the next one.